These are the materials. Make a magic circle. Just follow through on the steps. Make 3 chains. Row 1, make 13 double crochet, counting the chain 3 as a stitch 14 total. Slip stitch on top on the chain 3. Do not turn your work. Row 2, make 1 double crochet in the same chain space. There will be 1 tricky stitch here, don't miss it. Make 2 double crochet in each stitch around. Slip stitch at the top of chain 3, 28 stitches. Row 3, chain 3. Make 1 double crochet in the same chain space. Make 1 double crochet in the next stitch, and 2 double crochet in the next stitch. Repeat pattern for the round, 43 stitches. Row 4, chain 3. Make 1 double crochet in the same chain space. Make 2 double crochet in the next 2 stitches. 2 double crochet in the next same stitch. Repeat 57 stitches. Row 5, chain 3. Make 1 double crochet in the same chain space. Make 13 double crochet in the next 13 stitches. When you get to the 14th stitch, make 2 double crochet. Repeat pattern round, 62 stitches. How to get the perfect head measurement? Round of your head measurement divided by 3.14. Then minus 1 inch, and that is your head size. Hooray! Working on the body. Row 6, chain 3 counts as first double crochet. Double crochet in the next stitch. Double crochet in each stitch around. Repeat from row 6 to 14. The ruffle part. You can measure the length of your hat from here. Row 15, chain 3 and make 2 double crochet in the same chain space. In the front loop only. Make 3 double crochet. Repeat in each stitch around. Row 16, chain 3. Make 3 double crochet in the same chain space. Repeat this till the end of the row. Slip stitch on top of the first double crochet. Chain 1, cut and fasten off. We are done with the first part of the hat.
Yay!
You can end your crochet hat this way. Totally perfect for hot days. The furry brim part. With your 6 millimeters hook, make a slip knot. Work a half double crochet loosely in the same stitch. Do not make it too tight. Skip the next stitch and work 1 half double crochet in the 3rd stitch. Mark the point where you want to change. Don't finish your half double crochet. Pull the second color through. Do this all round and I'll meet you at the end of the final row. Make sure to weave in all your ends.
We are done. Phew.
At this point, your hat should be looking like this. To make your hat feel more secure, make a chain of 200. On the 14th row, pass the chain through every 2 stitches in and out.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more cute designs like this. Bye.